Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT 4 on Windows. Alright, so first thing first, you want to open your browser, then you want to go to Git. I just search Git, then you go to download for Windows. Alright, so right here, you want to download the 64 Git standalone installer, okay? Or if your PC is a 32-bit, you can download the 32-bit installation file. So after downloading the file, you want to go back to the main page and you want to click on Git. So after going back to the main page, you want to click on downloads, right? So you want to copy this link, this link right here, git clone http keyboard. You want to copy, right? So you can copy and just paste it into a text folder in the browser. All right, so now what we want to do is locate the file that we downloaded. All right, so you want to run as administrator. Just click next, then install. Alright, so once the installation is done, you just click finish, and that's it. So you want to create a new file. Okay, you want to create a new folder, just name it and then whatever you want. I'm gonna name this to. Alright, so now you want to open this file and then create another folder, and then we'll name this one GPT. Okay. Alright, so after that, you want to click on this clipboard and type in CMD. So it's gonna open up. So now the prompt we copied from Git the other time, so you're just gonna paste it there. So this is gonna take a little bit of time, all right, depending on your PC specs. So once it's done, just close it. We go back to our browser, then you want to open a new tab. So you want to go to this link. I'm going to leave a link in the description, right? gpt.com/nomic, right? So just enter, then you want to scroll down to where it says download links. So you're going to select your operating system, Windows installer, Mac OS, Ubuntu installer. Okay, so I'm going to select Windows. So it's downloaded. Alright, so once it's done downloading, you want to open the page, and then right here you can move this to your desktop. Okay, so once you do that, you want to open, then click on next. So you just click on next, separate license, click on next, GPT install. Alright, so now we're gonna the setup is finished, then you click on finish. Alright, so you want to find the setup, and then you want to open. So after installing, what you want to do is click on start chatting. So right here it's going to say install a model. So it's going to give you 3 options or multiple options to install from. So we have OpenAI ChatGPT model 4, and then we have ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay, so this is the one we need to install. So basically, you can select any of these models, alright, 8K per that you feel is the best. You need to just look at the options you have and then you install. Okay, so once you install, it's gonna say API key. So right here, all you have to do is just click here. You can apply for an API key here. So just click here, and then you log in to your ChatGPT OpenAI. You should already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can just create a new account or continue with Google. So it's pretty easy. So this is your API, new API key. So all you have to do is just click on view users API key. Okay, to go share your API key, this and that. So you can create an API key to access an OpenAI. So you can create a new API key. So I'm going to create one, and then we'll go back to our video. All right, so I've created an API key. Now we'll go back to our app, and you want to input the key right here, and then you install. So now we'll go back to chat, load the phone, and as you can see, ChatGPT is all running. So you can do this for multiple models, okay, whichever works for you. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.